Hello friends, welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday if today's your birthday. And welcome back to yet another Toronto / technically this is a Muskoka beginning of the vlog. Connor and I are actually just getting ready to leave the cottage. I'm gonna make the bed quickly. We have been here for the past 4 days, I believe, and now it's time to go back into the city. It's Monday, which sucks, but the time has come and we must go back. Bed looking nice and tidy. We love to see it. All packed up here too. We got all our stuff ready to go. I think we're pretty much good to go. I think I'm going to take the quick walk down to the dock though, just to have one last look at the view there, because I don't know, the next time we'll see it probably next summer, although we'll see what happens. Look at how pretty. Even all the leaves on the ground look so good. Oh, my feet are going to get wet. Yuck. Going down the little path. Getting this door open is always very difficult. 1, 2, 3. Oh, now I can't get it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there we go. The boats all parked in here. And now into paradise. Listen to that. Just so peaceful. Minus someone's very loud boat that we can hear from far away. Everything is wet, so we can't really have a sit out here, but that's okay. I just wanted to look at the view one more time because look at how beautiful it is. Honestly, some of my favorite memories ever are literally right here on this dock. I'm gonna come and have a seat over here, I think. Okay, yeah. Yeah, just, you know, chilling out here. So many fun things happen out here with the sea-doos, the boats, just relaxing in the lake here. Connor's family has like shampoo and conditioner that's safe for any wildlife that is in the lake, so you can literally wash your hair in the lake, just hop in and take a shower that way, which is such a cool experience. I didn't grow up on lakes, so that's just something a little different for me. I don't know if that's normal for other people who maybe grew up on lakes, but that is so cool to me. The best starry night I've ever seen in my entire life happened right out here on this dock with Connor. It was like 4:30 in the morning. We had been up with his friends just partying that night, and we ended up just coming down here right before bed, and it was the most amazing night sky ever. You could see, it felt like every star. You saw so many shooting stars that night. Like, I think I counted like 20 shooting stars that I saw alone. It was crazy. Like, someone would see one, you'd be like, oh, I missed it. But like 2 seconds later, there would be another one. It's just the most clear night. Also, during like our very first trip out here, to visit Connor's family, and I came to the cottage, was definitely like when I truly felt like I most fell in love with Connor. I was already like there, but it just really solidified things for me. It was so special just sitting on this dock again, like late at night, just chilling down here, just the two of us and talking, and it's just such a special place here. I absolutely love it. I'm sad to be leaving. I really am. I love it. I just love it here. Love the cottage life. I am really glad that I got to see it this time of year. So pretty with all the colors. There's something really special about it here as well. I definitely want to check it out in the winter sometime too. It sounds really fun. The whole lake freezes over, and so you can still come over to the island and you ride snowmobiles around. Connor said that there's like little like pubs set up with like fires to keep you warm, you know, all around. So anyway, maybe that will be the next adventure sometime. I don't know when. But there you have it. Some last moments at the cottage here. Oh, the breeze, it's so fresh. The air, so good. Perfect little end to a cottage weekend here. And now we have to hit the road and head back to Toronto. I'm not sure what we have planned for the rest of our day here. There's been a couple different ideas thrown around, so we're going to see what actually comes to fruition. But first things first is getting back to the city, enjoy all those beautiful colors on the ride again. Made it back to Toronto and I'm having some homemade turkey noodle soup for lunch that Conor's mom made. Looks so good. I scarfed down that soup so quickly, it's actually unbelievable. But can you blame me? Because it was 3 p.m. and I hadn't eaten yet. It took a little while to get back today. There was some Thanksgiving Day traffic. I think technically yesterday was Canadian Thanksgiving, but today's like the Thanksgiving Monday. So anyway, there was a bit of traffic in our way, but I don't want to eat too heavy because Conor and I are actually going out for a little date night tonight, which will be really fun. And at this point, it's not that far away. Now I just need to sit here and get some work done because I worked a little bit in the car, but eventually my laptop died and then my phone ran out of data because I'm in Canada and so I only have so much I can use every day. So there's a lot of stuff for me to get through, a lot of emails. I need to finish getting this vlog upload. It's supposed to be up today. It's already 3:30 in the afternoon. Luckily only 12:30 on the West Coast, so not so bad, but I do need to put some time in here, get some good stuff done. I think Conor and his dad are actually going to run out for a drink just because they have today off technically since it's a Canadian holiday, but I do not. So it'll be good though. The house will be nice and quiet. I'll be able to really just zone in, get some ish done here. Oh, I'm genuinely so sad to have left the cottage now though. By the way, did I show you my shirt? It says Big One, which is the island that Conor's cottage is on. Conor's mom gave it to me. Something that she had that she didn't need anymore, and so I swooped it right off of her. Thank you, Gail. By the way, guys, I read quite a bit in the car after my phone died, and the book is getting more and more interesting. I have to say, I am very easily pleased. I'm not that critical of a person when it comes to books or TV shows or stuff like that. Unless something is like truly like so cheesy, then like that's not good for me. But so I've seen mixed reviews about this book, but I'm really enjoying it so far. Again, it's called The Hunting Party by Lucy Foley. And I'm very intrigued. It's reaching that point where I just want to keep reading because I'm like, okay, there's been so much buildup. I just want to know what happens already. So maybe if I get done with work and Conor and his dad are still out, I can sneak a little reading time too. And it's really my last day here with Conor and his family before I head to Tara's. And then I'm with Tara for a full week. A jam-packed schedule. It's gonna be a blast. We're back to these beautiful bathroom angles yet again. I'm still working, but I did just hop in the shower just because since Conor and I are going out tonight, I thought it would be good just to get my hair out of the way because clearly it needed it. It had been up for the past 2 days, so it was definitely time. And I actually was thinking about straightening my hair, but then I changed my mind and just decided to just leave it. I might straighten it at some point in the week at Tara's, but for now, we're just gonna leave her curly. I just didn't really feel like taking the time on it right now, and it may still rain tomorrow in Toronto, so again, that just wouldn't even make any sense then. I forget if I already said this, but Conor and his dad did end up going out for a drink. Where's my towel? They said they would only be gone for like 1 drink, but I told him to take his time because it's not like I'm going to be done anytime soon with work. So I just know that this week with Tara is going to be interesting work-wise, and there are things that I do have to get done. So, you know, gotta make sure that all gets taken care of. I don't know if you guys recall, but I did say that I tried a new Denman brush technique on my hair the last time I washed it here in Toronto, and I did, and I hated it. I hated the way that my hair turned out after I did it. I'll show you what I did just so you guys get an idea. So what I was doing is actually taking the brush and like wrapping my hair all the way up the handle of the brush. I honestly don't even want to do it because I don't want my hair to turn out like that again. And then pulling it down, and it created these really tight spirals in my hair, which I thought would look really pretty, but I hated the way that they looked. I thought that they looked like weird colonial curls almost, something like that, which is not the vibe. So we are sticking with what we know here. The way that I do it is so much quicker and easier anyway, that why switch it up? I like the way that looked, then I may have worked a little bit at perfecting that a little bit more, but ugh, I just really hated it. Back to work for me now. I need to refill my water before I get back to work. I have been so dehydrated the past couple days, but I actually have been doing better really the past couple of days. It's before that I was bad. Cheers. p.m. and I just finished work, quickly threw on some makeup and got dressed. And Connor and I are off for date night now. We're just gonna walk, find somewhere to pop in for a drink, and then head to our dinner reservation at 8. Here's my little fit, just simple, casual. I'm gonna throw on some booties, but should be good for where we're going. And we're off on date night.
Yeah, we are.
We did it. Where are we heading to for drinks? Do you have somewhere in mind?
Yeah, I think we're gonna go to, what is it called? Uno Bar or something like Ubo.
Ubo.
We're going to Yorkville for drinks.
Yes, we have a very strict plan, as you can see.
Which is close to a restaurant at Blue Restaurant.
Yes, which is where we're going for our dinner.
Oh, it's Uni Wine Club. That's
Uni Wine Club. Ooh, sounds great. And this is sort of like our goodbye dinner.
I know.
Are you sad?
I'm so sad. Well, I don't like going home without you.
I know, it stinks.
But you know what? I'm not actually too sad relative to usual, because A, it's going to be a short little visit.
Yes.
And B, you're getting to hang with your best friend.
Yeah, it's going to be awesome.
And I'm feeling very happy about what we just got to enjoy together.
I know, me too. It was good. We just got a lot of good quality time.
Things went really well with the family.
Yes, they did. And now we'll get to spend a little time apart so that we miss each other, which is always nice too.
I'm going to be dying for you when you get back.
I'm excited.
And I'm excited to see Molly Cat.
I know, I'm so jealous that you get to see Molly Cat. I can't even tell you.
I get to tell you, like, it's okay, Molly. She might not be coming back.
I am coming back. Oh my gosh, Andrew sent me the cutest video of Molly Cat today. I have to put it in for you guys. I was seriously losing my mind over this.
Molly Cat doing Molly Cat stuff.
Yeah, like, she's just, she is perfecto, and I love her. All these lights are so pretty here. All the leaves on the ground. And I think we're just heading in right here. Yes. Excuse me. Well, no go on free dinner drinks. We, first of all, we're just running low on time because I had to work so late. And I know, I'm sorry.
Not at all your fault.
Then we got there and they said that they were just really backed up and not really taking anyone even just for a drink. So, you know, whatever,
we
it's
looked
fine.
at an alternative and then we're like, you know what? Timing wise, we're going to show up, get a drink, and have to leave. So.
Yep, so we just decided to head to the restaurant. We'll see if they have a bar that we can sit at, or if not, then if maybe they can seat us early, or, you know, whatever. If not, we shall just wait. It's not a big deal at all. All right, made it back to blah, blah. Let's get the masks out. Oh, maybe on this side? Thank you. Oh, look at this lighting, the atmosphere. We ended up getting seated right away at our table, which is awesome. We're in this back patio area, and it is so cute in here, especially at night. I showed you guys like a little glimpse in my last vlog when I was here, but let me give you a better look. I have a handsome table mate.
Yeah, you do.
And look at this, they have this cool blue lighting all over, exposed brick with like some artwork, and it is a beautiful night.
It's gorgeous.
It's like 67 degrees, so lovely out. Espresso martinis are on the menu for tonight. When Tara and I got dirty martinis here, they were really good, so I have high expectations. Cheers.
Cheers, my love. Happy date night.
Happy date night.
Ooh.
Is it good?
I'll take another just to share it with you.
Oh.
How does it taste chocolatey?
I know, it's so good. It's so good. I love it. Okay, first up, some focaccia bread and chili oil. Yum. I am all about it. Also, the espresso martinis went down easy. Too easy.
We honestly pace ourselves decently.
Oh.
Oh.
Sorry, carpaccio.
Carpaccio?
Perfect. Thank you.
Can I put any fresh pepper for your meal or anything else?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Food has been very good so far. The carpaccio is delish. And we just got a bottle of wine. We saw that they had a McManus on the menu, which is my parents' like house red wine. And so we decided to order it and way overpay for it.
Which I'm psyched about.
Okay, it's dinner time. Our dishes just arrived and they asked if we want a Parmesan, naturally. So Connor got some on his. Looking sparse, in my opinion.
No. We just had like literally an internet moment where, hey, tell me when. And the guy's like halfway through Jill's being like, so.
And I said I would let him know
I'll tell you
when. I don't feel like this is that overboard. I really wanted more, but then I felt pressured, like I should say stop. It looks great to me. Anyway, I got bolognese. Connor got a gnocchi beef ragu, which is looking really delicious. Great date night so far.
Great date night. Unbelievable conversation.
Unbelievable.
Out of this world.
So intellectual. Alrighty, post-dinner. Me and Connor have been having a dance party on the way home. We both have an AirPod in. Just listen to some of our favorite jams. Sometime I'm gonna have to make a playlist of like mine and my Connor's. You are my Connor.
I am your Connor.
Mine and Connor's favorite songs, because they are a jam and I think you guys would love it.
You gotta let them into the playlist.
Right? Not our playlist, but a select.
Oh, I think a couple.
Yeah, exactly, a couple. Wish you guys could hear our jam right now. Love you, baby. Ooh, I love you, baby. Anyway, we were almost home. We were gonna go for a nightcap, and then we were like, let's just go home and relax and watch something on television instead. But it is a lovely night. As you can see, I took my sweater off because it was even too hot for me.
Right?
It has been such a beautiful day here. Such nice weather.
We don't live in igloos all year long.
Only part of the year.
Myth defunct. Yeah, that's only from December on, and then we hibernate in our igloos.
Exactly. All right, home we go. Perfect last date night, though. I had so much fun.
I had a blast.